So, what's it like to be a G?
Wait, no, G's.
Dude, how many times do I gotta tell you we G's? We G's.
Stop it!
Like we represent that West Coast, we represent that East Side.
What exactly does a G stand for?
Gangsta?
Greatness.
What, you stupid?
Gangsta, basically anything with a J.
Shut up, man.
Yo, stop! Let's go! I'll take you down!
Youth today, very, very angry.
Yo,
Very angry.
G? Yo, it's like this.
I'm sorry, I go
You
crazy.
represent the goal, you represent the hood. You represent it all. Yo, we're
Sorry, man, I'm sorry, give me a moment.
representing everything, you know? Like, we from the hood.
Ow.
I'm gotta go. I'm very emotional.
So, when you say rock out with your cock out, what exactly does that mean?
I'll show you what it means, Grandma.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! I don't want AIDS!
Is that big enough?
Fight AIDS! What the hell? Fight AIDS!
Is that big enough for you?
Let's interview you, Granny.
Hey, Bobo! Hey, bye.
So, Granny, what's it like to be a granny?
It's way better than being G, I meant.
Yo, Granny, are you a G?
I don't want it!
Granny, you're a G!
I don't want it!
You're a G! You're a G!
You're
You
boring
had,
me, Granny.
you had our mother!
You're boring me, Granny.
You had a mother, Granny.
Yeah!
I'm boring your mom!
Blood, so you're a G!
No!
A G!
No! I don't want AIDS.